Hi, TR here. This video in our career exploration journey to creating a wonderful resume and cover letter is the marketing yourself assignment. Now, you know about knowing yourself, pathways, case study. You need to review lesson 4 carefully, and then we need to go to the content page for the marketing yourself. And when you click on that link, this is what you get. So we're going to add another artifact, which is like another piece of the puzzle to your career portfolio. What we're looking at here is we're going to be talking about your employability skills, or you're going to be talking about your employability skills, because these are the things that an employer is looking for. Like, what does this person bring to me as the employer, and how will they help me be more successful? And that's what they're most interested in. They may be really nice and be wonderful people, but really bottom line is, how will they help? So identifying your employability skills, we talk about fundamental skills, teamwork skills, personal management skills. You might have more than the 5 that are noted here, and the 5 that are noted here, and the 5 that are noted here, and you're more than welcome to share those. Excuse me. So, marketing your employability skills. The assignment is about talking about, well, first it's about finding the job right now for you to use or could do, and this is going to focus on that job and your what you believe are your strongest employability skills to help you achieve that job or allow that employer to hire you. So you're going to focus on your skills that are strongest and directly applicable to the job opportunity. If you are a person who wants to be a hockey goaltender and you put in your employability, one of your strongest skills is how well you knit, that's not exactly directly applicable. So, select a minimum of 2. Be prepared to provide evidence of these skills from your real-life experience in your interview and or cover letter. STARS, the acronym, STARS is the expected way to demonstrate your skills, and what STARS means or stands for is situation, task, action, results, skills. Carefully read this information. Here is the video, this video that you will be using, hopefully. And here are the instructions as per text. And the instructions as per text are, you go to the assignment tips announcement. You do not submit pictures of handwritten documents. You find a job. You highlight the qualifications and key skills in identified in that posting. You select your 2 employability skills from the chart above. You provide evidence in point form for the 2 different situations. You include action words. Click on this and go to the action words page, and then you save the document as marketing yourself and submit it to assignment, as the assignment folder, career portfolio, marketing yourself. So here is the template that I'm expecting you to use, and let's get at it. Let's open this up and get you to understand what are the expectations. So the very first page, put your name please. Click, add your name. Second slide, specific job title. Now, this job is what you are going to be doing your resume and cover letter on. So it's got to be a specific job that you will be using in the future. As I said, I mentioned, you're building towards your resume cover letter. The company and organization, so click add, And then the job description, this is one of those times where copying and pasting is recommended. And then proper citation, job site, click and add the proper APA citation for this job. Okay, let's move forward. So the next slide is employability skill 1. Click and add that skill. Keeping the information titles below, replace the explanation. So you delete this, and then you describe the situation. You delete this, and you describe your task. You delete this, and you describe the actions you took. You delete this, and you explain what happened as a result of your efforts. And you delete this, and you describe in detail the skills you used to accomplish what you did. Be sure to highlight and bold your action words. Detail, depth, detail, and personalization. Connect it, make it real. Show me that it's real. And then you've got a second slide, exactly the same format. Okay, keep moving forward. Our marking rubric in the program of studies. This is one of the criterion that we need to cover, and the template connection are skills 1 and 2. So basically both slides. As we move through the marking rubric, level 1 meaning 1 out of 4, level 4 meaning 4 out of 4. If you are showing me an undeveloped level of knowledge, an inadequate understanding, 1 out of 4 for this section. If it's basic, few sentences, it's like, okay, a minimum, like the minimum that you need to share that shows you got some kind of understanding of what we're talking about. That's a level 2, that's a 2 out of 4, that's a 50% for this section. And the 4 out of 4 means that you are demonstrating skillful and thorough knowledge acquisition and expanded and deepened understanding of employability skills. Depth, detail, and personalization. Connected to real world, what happened in the real world. Your second section or your second outcome that this assignment is dealing with in the program of studies is C7 here, and the connection is again 1 and 2. And as we move through the rubric, vague to thoroughly evaluated, personalized, and comprehensively communicated. Depth, detail, and personalization. And the final outcome in the provincial guide is C8, and again, skills 1 and 2. And here, this is talking about the stars. So did you use the stars, the situation, the task, and so forth? And if you did use it, did you provide a lot of evidence of your employability skills? So for me, does this make sense? Like, are what you talking about connecting to the job? So if you want to be a hockey goaltender, what else can I say? So hockey goaltender, stick with that. And you're talking about how well you can knit. Well, yeah, maybe not. A great connection. So it's got to be something that, if I was an employer or if you were an employer and you were hiring somebody, okay, what do they need to have for them to give you what you need to make your business work? Like, you do not want someone, say, who's kind of growly and owly and not very sociable in a position where they have to talk to people and be happy and excited to see them, which is a great skill to pretend you have. All right, so let's take a quick peek at the assignment tips. Look, here will be the video. It'll be the same video that you have in the content page. So if you didn't look at it there, make sure you look at it here. And then carefully read this information, right? Carefully, carefully, carefully. If If you have any questions, issues, or concerns, please let me know in your private discussions. It's always just a super good idea to take a snapshot using Awesome Screenshot. Taking a snapshot of what your situation or concern is. And I'll do my best to help you out. And if I can't, then I'll suggest you go to the widget and see if they can help you out. And if they can't, then our third option is you need to seek outside professional help. Or if you've got somebody that you know that's pretty good, that's a great place to go. Do take care. Wishing you all the best and have a great day. Bye now.